Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. The boat I'm on today is a Crownline 335. Has the dual Mercury engines along with a joystick. Sun pad in the back with a multi-positioning seat. Easy walk through. Interior is in great condition. Does have the fridge. Nice little counter and a sink. Has a JL audio. Bimini up top. I am very tall, very tall helm area in here. Beautiful dash in the helm. Plenty of space in the passenger seat. Walkie up front, you have a massive bow. On the port side, you do have your head. Tons of seating up front with your anchor up front. Does have a small galley midship here. Give us a call today and ask about the Crownline 335.